strange coincidence.
What are the odds him they are the same play where we there?
No, you definitely the sports.
That looks strange for real.
When you see what I have to do? I have to turn my back.
You don't think him recognize you?
I don't think so.
What the shit this?
No man, we just decided to come take in and play because I say, just relieve some stress. No man, I two theatre there. You have a dance show going and then you have a regular player going.
And what Carlton Wallace do you have?
We don't like know the same thing too.
One of the things, something will go down tonight.
Whisper, keep your eye them open. Especially intermission, make a walk. The show soon start. Make her go inside. Wait. Whisper, you go in first and make her know which part them sit down. So we can sit down on the opposite side. Alright?
Miss Perez,
The wallet?
how are you?
I'm okay.
No, hold on. I wasn't aware that there was animosity between me and you.
This is neither the time or place to have this discussion right now.
You see, I know maybe your significant other tell you some things about me, like I have some skeletons in my closet. But you know what? You need to go check for him graveyard.
And what is that supposed to mean?
He's right there. You can ask him.
Luna, everything alright?
Yes, it is.
Mr. Xpressionz, good to see you, sir.
What kind of conversation you possibly could have with my woman?
Well, I was just exchanging pleasantries.
Come, babe. Let's go.
Really, I get sick of them coincidences now.
This is better. Luna, is when did I set here?
Let's not talk about that right now. Okay? Let's just enjoy the show.